In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see communities in x.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple clicks. If you've been trying to find the Communities tab and it seems hidden, don't worry, this is quick and easy. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more short, helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look at the left navigation bar. You'll see several menu options there, but if Communities isn't visible right away, don't panic. What you need to do is click on More. This expands additional options that are not shown in the main menu. After you click More, a new list will appear. From that list, simply click Communities. That will take you directly to the Community section inside X, where you can browse, join, and view community posts. And that's it. Just click More on the left navigation bar, then click Communities, and you're there. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.